Hi guys, I want to tell you guys about soap making. Soap making thing I've been doing. I started last year or the year before, and this year was the first time I make it. Was a couple last week, about 2 weeks ago. I made it, and usually some people it lasts them a year. Depends on you make. You could make for 2 years, but I just make one portion. It doesn't last me a year because I use this instead of other people use a very small amount. Anyway, the stuff you need for the soap is borax, um, super super washing soda. I get this at Canyon Tire. I get the borax at Tiger Giant, and baking soda. Usually, I pick them up at Walmart in the States. I get everything there. I get a super washing soda look like this, the baking soda and the borax. But this time I was looking, I see sometimes they have borax at my grocery store or Tiger Giant, and sometimes and I see Canyon Tire have this, the super washing soda. So I say, okay. The other things we need for the soap is this. This soap is Zoot. They have the white one and they have this pink one. But usually I never use the white one, I only buy these. So I get the Walmart in the States for 99 cents or something like that. And this one too, Napa Valley. But this time I used two out of this big one and one out of this. So I have more stuff to make another set of washing soda. The other thing I use in it is OxyClean. So one box of borax, one box of baking soda, washing soda, one OxyClean, and one Unstoppable, the big one. And all this mixed together, and you grate the soap and you mix it. Some people pass it in the food processor. I don't have a food processor. So, guys, I'm so thirsty, sorry. So I grate it. My son grated for me this time. And then it looked like that when you mix it together. Okay, you can see it like that. And I have so much. I find this bottle at the second hand at the St. Vincent de Paul, and I put it some in. You see, I have so much. I have in this, I have in this, and I have in another jar because I use my big jar for my flour this year. So I'm gonna try to find a big jar in the second hand store to put this soap. But anyway, if you're interested in making this soap, you can hit me up on Messenger, WhatsApp, the same name, Carol Belfon. I could give you the but it's just one box of everything and 3 soap. Some people you could use any other soap. It's real. It's more better for the environment. They say, except some people don't use borax, and for kids they will use ivory soap. Grade 3 or 4 ivory soap for babies' clothes, and they say it works very well. I don't have babies right now, so it's teenagers and me. So we use it and it lasts a while, and I find it was so my clothes was like real clean. I'm just getting back to it after a couple months to a year without using it. um I don't see the cleanness coming back yet, but I just started back using it last week. So but my clothes used to be like white, and I'm like, my clothes looking nice. The white look white and everything. But anyway, guys, try making the soap. It lasts, and you don't have to use this big thing. The thing that those little like baby milk spoon. They said that with a load because it's very concentrated, and some people make the liquid. I will not be trying the liquid. I tried the dishwashing liquid, and it was a mess. I couldn't get it to work and stay liquidy. So it was something else. But anyway, guys, try the soap. So that's something I've been using for over 2 to 3 years, I think. But last year I didn't do it too much because I was so weak. I was so weak and stuff like that. I couldn't concentrate on making soap. But this year I'm back at it. And that's it, guys. if you need any more information. But it's just one box of everything and 3 soap, and you will get a whole lot of soap, and you just need a big jar to put it in to store it, and one OxiClean and the Unstoppable. Guys, thank you so much for being there and always watching my videos. Those who subscribe to my channel, those who there. Guys, I'm trying with lots and lots of things happening, things that I never imagined will happen to set me back, and I'm still trying because I'm home, but sometimes my body is so weak just to even walk, just to even sometimes just walking up the step I'm falling down. So I still tomorrow I'm gonna see my doctor and know what's happening. Although my doctor sucks, guys. My doctor is the worst. But we scarce of doctor in Quebec, so I have to stick with my. If I get rid of my doctor, I'm not getting one again, and I have her since in the 90s. Yeah, about 1996 and 97, somewhere there I have her. So anyway, guys, bye.